Hi, I'm Matthew Small from Encounter Space. Currently, industry is experiencing a shortfall in STEM graduates. So how do we inspire students into a STEM degree? So my solution is to introduce a new space-related robotics kit to the classroom. It finds, points at, and tracks celestial objects just like a real observatory. It's easy to assemble and use, and multiple lesson plans are included, such as trigonometry, mathematics, astronomy, and programming. So here's a demonstration of the early prototype. It currently tracks the sun, and you'll notice that if you move the base, there's no special calibration required. It just tracks and follows where it needs to go. So I'll have some more designs in the future. So this year I'll be looking to add additional features and complete some more of the concept designs. Next year we should have some prototype releases as well as start to begin the marketing. And then in 2025 we'll be able to release premium features such as SpaceX launches and asteroids whizzing past the Earth and such. So Australia currently has a market size of around 9,600 schools and universities, giving me a rough total addressable market of $10 million. And that's before I even look at the international market. So at release, I'm looking to have two main kits, a basic one limited to sun, moon and planets, and then another one that has more objects and more advanced features, as well as some additional services such as paid support, subscription and events such as ISS, SpaceX and so on, as well as some custom designs for places like public spaces. There's no real competitors to the Encounter Space pointer. The closest would be the Open Astrotech unit, which is designed for space photography. So it has a more complicated kit to assemble, as well as more complicated setup and alignment issues. So I am currently a fourth year engineering student. I've done internships at Mount Stromlo Observatory in the ACT, where I did get to visit the Parkes Radio Telescope and the Anglo-Australian Telescope, and the IMPACT10X entrepreneurial program. I'm not currently looking for funding, although I am interested in hearing from people who would be interested in this product. Thank you very much.